All right, finally, we're going to talk about the misconceptions of the distributive property. So again, when we talk about the distributive property, we are simply referring to multiplication. And in this case, you already see your factors. So you see your parentheses, it's telling you to multiply. So we have 4, you're going to multiply times the x, and 4 multiplying times your positive 3. However, one common misconception that I see is that students tend to multiply the 4 times the x. They're like, okay, that's 4x and plus 3. This is what I see. Now, the problem with that is that you're ignoring the fact that we have to multiply whatever's on the outside. So in this case, our 4 by everything that's on the inside. So inside the parentheses, we don't only have the x, we also have a positive 3. So you also have to distribute to the positive 3. You also have to multiply times the positive 3. So that being said, this part right here is absolutely wrong because 4 times 3 does not equal positive 3. So let's try it again. But now let's fix our mistake from the start. So we have 4 times x, that's 4x. And then we have 4 times positive 3, which gives us positive 12. And that's it. That's all you need to remember. Whatever's on the outside of the parentheses, multiply times whatever's on the inside. That is a distributive property. Okay. Next, I also want to show something else. Lastly, I promise you I'm almost done. So on some of the questions, you may see that they add something like, I don't know, add 16 here. Okay. You're still going to do the distributive property. You still see parentheses here. You still see a number right outside the parentheses. You still have to do the distributive property. But again, it only applies to the number that's on the outside times whatever's on the inside. Okay, I'm not multiplying times the 16. The 16 is on the outside of the parentheses. I don't have to focus on that one. So again, I do 4 times x. We have 4x. And then 4 times 3, positive 3. That gives me positive 12. Now, let's not forget our teammates. Let's not forget what we didn't work with. We had this positive 16. We can't just leave it behind and forget about him forever and ever. We have to bring him down as well. So positive 16 as well, right here. Lastly, we have to combine the like terms. So we have positive 12 and positive 16. They have the same, they are both constants. So remember, when you look for like terms, you're looking for the same exponent and the same variable. So you have 4x, because no one else has an x here, and then plus 28, and that is it.